Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print a PDF file as a booklet format using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file. Now select this left side top corner file option and here you will find this print option. Now select print or press Ctrl P from your keyboard and this printer dialog box and select your printer here, Foxit printer. You can print all page or specific page range. You can print reverse order if you want. And this is normal format, regular format. And here you will find this booklet option. Simply click on this booklet. And this booklet right binding. And you can select front or back. I'll select both and select. Now select OK. Save as your file name and see this. Our booklet format now printed. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.